Exceptional. The room was great. Staff was also great. Fabulous staff, great stay. This hotel was perfect for our needs. Location was great and the room was comfortable. The staff was so friendly and accommodating. We left some important documents in our room, by mistake. Dan graciously located and promptly mailed our documents back to us, saving us a tremendous amount of time and money. We are so grateful for his, and the rest of the staff's, kindness and commitment to guest satisfaction. Thank you. Experience comfort and convenience at Quality Inn Akron. Welcome to Quality Inn, a charming 2-star hotel located in Akron, Ohio. With its recent renovation in 2022, this hotel offers a fresh and modern ambience that is sure to please both leisure and business travelers alike. Situated just 11 minutes away from the airport, Quality Inn provides a convenient location for those arriving or departing from Akron. Check-in at Quality Inn begins at 3 p.m., allowing guests ample time to settle in and start their Akron adventure. The friendly and attentive staff will be ready to assist you upon arrival, ensuring a smooth and hassle-free check-in process. The checkout time is set at 11 a.m., giving guests ample time to enjoy a leisurely morning or attend to any last-minute preparations before their departure. Quality Inn boasts a total of 60 well-appointed rooms, each designed to provide a comfortable and relaxing stay. Whether you are traveling solo, as a couple, or with your family, you will find the perfect accommodation to suit your needs. The rooms are tastefully decorated, featuring modern amenities and thoughtful touches to enhance your stay. With a distance of just 10 miles from the city center, guests can easily explore the vibrant attractions and landmarks that Akron has to offer. Families traveling with children will appreciate the child policy at Quality Inn. Children between the ages of 3 to 17 can stay free of charge, making it an ideal choice for a family getaway. With its convenient location, comfortable rooms, and warm hospitality, Quality Inn is the perfect base for your stay in Akron. Book your stay today and experience the comfort and convenience this hotel has to offer. Stay active at Quality Inn sports facilities at Quality Inn in Akron, Ohio. Staying active is a breeze with our top-notch sports facilities. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast or just looking to maintain your workout routine while traveling, we've got you covered. Our hotel boasts a state-of-the-art fitness center that is fully equipped with modern exercise machines, free weights, and cardio equipment. You can break a sweat and burn some calories with ease, all without leaving the comfort of our hotel.